Welcome back, Mona and Alex. In today's session, we'll explore one of the most crucial foundations of every successful life science venture: the market analysis. Before you can bring your innovation to the world, you need to understand your market. Market analysis is the process that helps you identify where your product fits, who will buy it, and how you can position it for success. Let's break it down step by step. A market analysis serves several key objectives. It allows you to evaluate the commercial potential of your innovation, identify target customers and understand their needs, map your competitors and their offerings, estimate market size and growth potential, define a strategy for market entry and positioning. In the life sciences, this is especially important. Regulatory pathways, long development cycles, and high capital requirements mean that entering the wrong market or targeting the wrong segment can be extremely costly. Start by defining which market you are analyzing. Are you addressing the diagnostics market, the oncology therapeutics market, or perhaps the digital health segment for chronic disease management? Avoid broad definitions and focus on the specific niche your technology targets. In life sciences, markets are often divided into therapeutic area, technology type, or application setting. Your definition will determine the scope of all following steps. Once defined, segment your market. Start by segmenting your potential customers based on industry, company size, geography, or user type. Each segment behaves differently and offers different opportunities. For example, selling to large hospitals may require complex approval processes, while entering the research use only market may allow faster adoption. Understanding segments helps you prioritize. Not all markets are equally attractive. Focus on those with a clear unmet need and manageable entry barriers. Next, you need to quantify your market. Investors and partners will expect data-driven insights here. Use a top-down approach, starting by calculating the total addressable market, TAM, the overall revenue opportunity if your product reached everyone who could benefit. Then, narrow it down to the serviceable available market, SAM, which is the part of the market your business can realistically serve, given current capabilities and geography. And lastly, estimate the serviceable obtainable market, SUM, your expected short-term market share, but you can actually capture. Alternatively, a bottom-up approach starts from real-world data like hospital budgets, patient populations, or sales of similar products. For early-stage technologies, you may need to combine top-down and bottom-up approaches. Using both data and specific assumptions about your customer adoption. Use reliable sources such as industry reports by Frost & Sullivan, IQVIA, or Evaluate Pharma, regulatory databases, and scientific publications. In life sciences, understanding customers means understanding a complex ecosystem. Your end user might not be your direct buyer. For instance, a hospital may use your diagnostic test, but reimbursement comes from insurers or public health systems. Identify all relevant stakeholders. End users could be clinicians, patients, or laboratories. Decision makers can be procurement departments, hospital management, and payers, while key opinion leaders, scientific advisors, and regulatory agencies also have a strong influence. To explore their needs, combine secondary research with primary research. Secondary research is based on existing information which can be found online in academic papers, trade journals, and reports from consulting firms. For primary research, conduct interviews, surveys, and attend conferences. This is a crucial task for understanding stakeholder motivations and will help you better align your value proposition with their needs. Every market has competition, sometimes direct, offering similar products to the same customer base, while indirect competitors provide different products that fulfill the same underlying customer need. Analyze who else is offering similar or alternative solutions. Map competitors by product type and technological approach, stage of development or commercialization, pricing and business model, strengths and weaknesses. In life science, this includes not only commercial players, but also academic groups and startups in stealth mode. Patent databases such as Google Patents or ESPASnet, and clinical trial registries like clinicaltrials.gov, provide valuable insights. Visualize your findings. A competitor matrix or positioning map can make your analysis clear and persuasive. In life sciences, market success is inseparable from regulation and reimbursement. Understanding the pathway to approval and payment is part of your market analysis. Identify the relevant regulatory frameworks issued by regulatory authorities such as FDA and EMA. For example, the In Vitro Diagnostic Medical Devices Regulation, IVDR, and estimate their impact on timelines and cost. Study how similar products are reimbursed. This knowledge determines how fast and profitably you can enter the market. Markets evolve. You need to understand the dynamics shaping them. Analyze key trends such as technological innovations, demographic changes, policy and funding developments,
or shifts in clinical practice and digitalization.
Identify not only growth drivers, but also potential barriers, such as high regulatory hurdles, data privacy concerns, or conservative adoption behavior among clinicians. After gathering all data, synthesize it to actionable insights. A good market analysis doesn't just summarize data, it tells a story about opportunity, risk, and strategic fit. Your conclusions should answer: is the market attractive and growing? Which segment should you prioritize? What differentiates your solution from those of your competitors? What risks and barriers need to be addressed? This forms the foundation of your business model, pricing strategy, and go-to market plan. In summary, a strong market analysis combines scientific understanding with business intelligence. Conducting a market analysis is not a one-time task. It's a continuous process. Markets evolve, competitors change direction, and customer needs shift. Treat your market analysis as a living document that grows with your project. Stay tuned for more insights on how to transform innovation into real-world impact.